happy. I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm alive today. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm alive today. Ẹ ṣé àrí àánú gbà o. Ẹ ṣé àrí àánú gbà o. Torí kì í ṣe gbogbo ènìyàn lórí àánú gbà o. Ẹ ṣé àrí àánú gbà o. Àpáńlá tó ṣayé ró. Ẹ ṣé àrí àánú gbà o. Torí kì í ṣe gbogbo ènìyàn lórí àánú gbà o. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching any of my video for the first time, that means you're actually new here. My name is Queen Aniki, and for my old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. I really appreciate every one of you here. Please, if you're new, turning to this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Guys, I'm so excited today. Wow. Oh my God. I'm so happy. We made it to 2022. Oh my God. It's not by our power, but by the grace of God. Happy New Year to you, my lovely people. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Wherever you're watching my video, I wish you your favor, you and we shall all make it in this new year, and our destiny helper shall locate us this year in the mighty name of Jesus. So I also got mine. This is the latest gist I want to gist with you guys. As in, I got my ring light yesterday. I'm so happy. Then I decided to unbox the ring light with you guys. So I got the ring light from Balogun Market, Lagos Island. So if you are in Lagos, if you reside in Lagos, as in island, as is, you actually know the market I'm talking about. So guys, let's unbox the ring light together. This is my ring light. See, my God. Let's see. So guys, this is the ring light. As in, I'm so happy. My videos will look so oh my God. This is the ring light, and is 18 inches. Can you see, guys? So we're gonna unbox it to see what is inside together. So guys, this is the tripod. So we're gonna unbox everything together. So now let's go and unbox it for you guys to see how it looks like. Thank you so much. So now let's see what is inside the bag, as in how the ring light looks like. So now, oh my God, wow, can you see? Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love this bag. Oh my God. Can you see, guys? This is the bag. I really love this bag. It's very easy to go out with. In case you don't want to film in your area, or if I decide not to film in my store, then I decide to go to one of my colleague. So it's very easy for me to go out with this bag. Can you see? It's looking portable and it's not heavy. Oh my god, very light. I love it. I love it. Now let's see what is inside. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Wow, this is my ring light. As in, this is our ring light and it's 18 inches. So this one has battery space, and this is the battery space. Can you see, guys? So it has two battery space. So in case I'm working with this ring light and the NEPA just take the light, I can use the battery just to continue with my. This is the accessory. Can you see? This is the remote in case you are using it with the battery. This is the remote. Can you see? Very portable. And this is the phone holder. It came with 3 phone holder, but guys, Queen and Nikki, I too like money. Let me tell you guys. So yesterday when I wanted to get this, there's one makeup artist. She met me at the store. She was like, oh, Papa, please can you sell the phone holder to me? I just need one phone holder. And the Papa said, no, I don't sell pieces. But this, my sister wants to get the ring light. If you can beg her to sell for you. I'm like, well, I cannot use 3 at a time. Okay, let me sell one to you. So I decide to sell one to her, and I sold it for 2,000 naira. So, oh my god. This is the adapter. Can you see? This is the charging point, and this is where to connect to the ring light. So now guys, let's go to tripod aspect. Then I will show you how we'll fix everything to make it look I'm just happy. So guys, this is the tripod. I see. Wow. This is this tripod, and this is how it looks like now. Setting time, and you use this control a little bit, then you just pull it out, you know, just pull it out. Can you see, guys? So this is how you set your tripod. So can you see, guys? This is how you set it. Now if you want to, you know, to adjust it, this is where you adjust the tripod. You just lose the, then you bring it out like this. Just take it to the length you want. Can you see? Then you just adjust the control here to make it firm. So now you just, so I'm about to fix the ring lights, just to fix it for you guys to see. Then so I want to fix the ring light for you guys to see. Can you see? So you just using this one very well. Then you fix it here. go ahead and you adjust it back. So this is the ring light. Can you see, guys? Oh my god! So now let me just connect it to the light, and you guys will see how the brightness is looking, and is actually adjustable if you want it full, dim light. So I'll show you guys all the three lights that the ring lights have. This is the phone holder. Can you see, guys? So you just want you guys to see. This is the battery space. So I'll get the battery later, because I'm supposed to get it yesterday, but they don't have the battery available. The man promised to get the battery for me next week, so that means I'll get the battery next week. So that's the reason why I cannot show you guys the battery, but this is the battery space. So now this is the phone holder. You just fix it here. Can you see, guys? Then you tight those. So this is also adjustable if you want it, you know. It's adjustable. The phone holder is adjustable. Hope you can see clearly, guys. So now this is the ring light, and you just fix your phone. This one is also expanding. It's stretchable. Can you see? So once you just connect it at the one side, to expand it to connect the other one. And let's test the ring light. Connect it, and this is the adapter. So let's connect it. Wow, my god! And this is my ring light. Can you see? This is those first lights. So let me control it. If you want it brighter, can you see? This is the second light, and this is the third light. This is very bright. Can you see, guys? So if you want it dim, and wow, oh my god! So I have my ring light. My video will be mwah. So I'll be giving you back to back latest, helpful, and valuable content. Ice Queen and Nikki. Thank you. I love you all. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys love this video, and let me know if you guys love my ring lights. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any else style in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, so fear no more, my video is gonna be more bright. Thank you. I love you all.